Up this, can I slide? We're opening I Dig Monsters. And I think you gotta dig for your monster. Wanna open it together? Pull it together. You wanna do it together? Laura? You pull and I pull? Wait, I hold and pull.
But Laura just had a birthday. She turned 4, so that's why she has all these unicorn balloons in the back.
Need help?
And this is one of her birthday presents. Hey, scissor. Got it?
Don't worry, I got it. Wait.
They make it really hard to open, huh?
Let me share. Follow Laura. Yeah. Hey, Red. Aw. Let's go with this. Oh, you need help? I can pull it.
You did it.
What's this? Wait, I got something to dig with too.
What?
Remember my Minecraft thing?
Go get it. Go get your Minecraft
Wait,
thing.
but Laura, stay. I got something to dig with you. I can dig with you. Yeah.
It says dig, scoop, pop a scented smeller, mix it, and wait 2 minutes.
We can dig together.
Oh, wait, say it again. Say it again.
We can dig together. This is something from Minecraft. I got. See, she's got her pink spoon. I got my Minecraft pickaxe. What?
That's the Minecraft pickaxe.
Yeah, and I got a little toy. It's a little mini Enderman with black clicks and with sparkles. Mommy! Open with me.
Oh, she said open with me.
Got it? I got you do it. Like you do it. Huh? You need help with that? Want to do this one?
Is it already there?
Oh, it's cream. Wait. Come on, dig together. It's like this creamy slime. It's not quicksand together. Oh, whoa, we gotta dig the snow. Wait, we dumped some snow. Wait for me. Oh, the snow's really fluffy.
Is it like the kinetic sand?
No, it's not kinetic sand. It's like foam.
Wow, it's much fluffier. It's so soft. It does feel like foam.
Hey! Wait!
Oh, she sees something there.
Wait, Blair, let's dig it out now. Lay your hand. Blair, let's do it with this. Dig. What do we get? Hey! A pop-up. Yeah, it's purple. Hey, God.
So excited.
I made a hat. What hat did we get?
Wow!
Oh, you got like a little
And that's what
hat.
it's like in the cup. That was the last of the stuff in there, the fluffy foam. That's a scent package. If you put all of the foam back inside, Hey,
Wait, I want to play with this.
yeah, if you put it all back inside, you can put the little scent
Wait, why
smell in there and mix it and it'll smell great.
can we mix it with our hands?
With the scent smell? No, because I think it said like you have to put it, don't want you to touch it maybe, I don't know.
What happens if you touch it?
But Laura, want to put this back inside and then you can put this with it. Put that back
Oh,
inside.
what's this smell? Oh, an Arby's.
Oh, one is a color. So they got this orange. It's going to be orange. And they also got the scent packet. Can I see the scent packet? And there's the scent packet. It has like a little Orbeez in there.
I'm making a snowball.
And then this is for the scent. So the scent is probably going to be peach. And this one is kind of a mystery.
Hello.
Oh, what'd you get?
Hi,
Hi, everybody. Look who they got. They got me. I'm new. And I got a new hat. It is an ice cream hat. There you go.
Okay,
And
wait, put it all here so I can put this on. So I can put popping bubbles in. Now push it down. Careful not to dig the hole too deep.
here's the one they got. Berry cream. A
cream.
creamy, dreamy dew that's berry on trend. Oh, they're
Whoa.
so cute.
What?
Look at astronaut Purbat. This one's super cute. Has big ears. Oh, let's see in the back here.
Mom.
Oh, look at the rainbow one. That one's called
Mom, what?
dried Purbat.
Valora would love that one.
Yeah,
And that one.
the Flossicorn Jaxie.
I made like a snowball with a hole so we can pour the hole in and cover it.
All right.
I want this one.
The rainbow one?
My come on. Oh, I think you're supposed to.
Oh, let's see. Take a look inside there. Wow.
Me. Oh, you want to pour it?
Squeeze.
Be careful.
And make sure you pop that little capsule.
Valora, you're getting it everywhere.
Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. She might need help squeezing that little dot in there. I think that dot is something special. It says to pop it.
I want to do it.
Okay.
Touch the boba. I want a boba.
Wow.
Wait, and then let's do the other boba too. Can we do it?
There it goes. Whee!
And then,
Okay. Now
There
what are
we
you gonna do?
now let's do it. Oh, me. I had it.
Sorry, move the scissors. In the trash.
Wow, it's a volcano.
Hey, when you pop it, look at the color that comes out.
Wow.
Laura, pop the Orby. Can you let her pop it?
Oh, can I pop one? I did pop one. You did pop one. What is it? And I did pop one.
Oh, it's like a goo.
I did pop one. Oh,
Okay.
you can pop it. Hurry, pop, 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 pop.
Pop, 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 pop. Oh, you're turning your hand orange.
No, me.
It smells so fruity.
But then what do I do with all this juice on my hands?
I think you weren't supposed to mix it on the table. It said that you were supposed to do it in the cup.
Wait, berry again.
It smells so yummy.
Give me my toy back. Where's
Wow,
my
this
toy
smells
gone?
really good.
My toy. What? But I got juice all over my hands. Can I rub it?
You gotta get the smell in there. Did it get stickier? Oh, it still stayed nice and
Oh, it
soft and
smells
fluffy.
amazing.
It just got very, it feels like powder, like I'm holding baby powder. Doesn't this feel like baby powder, guys?
Can I use that?
Uh-oh, it's getting a little wet. I see how it's getting stuck to my hand, too.
So just do this.
Whee, I'm in the snow.
It's
Ah, you're covering my face and I can't breathe. Too much.
Wow.
There's Helena. She's checking it out. Helena, does that feel very soft?
Yeah. Hi guys.
Hey, stop. I was like, and there's Sandy. Sandy says,
Can I
it smells so
touch?
good around here. Hey, girls, do you like this toy?
Yes.
Like-
Goodbye. Please subscribe. Hey, goodbye.
And check out our channel because we have a
Hey,
toy playlist where there's lots of other toy videos.
I know.
Thanks again for watching.
Bye.
Bye. I got all dirty, but please subscribe.